Hello everyone, good looking daddy here. Today, let's talk mechanical keyboard. You know guys, in today's time, ang daming budget mechanical keyboard options from multiple brands. You have Anpro, Ajas, K28, and even sa manufacturer ng item natin ngayon, Royal Kludge. But in today's video, let's highlight a less popular but really underrated keyboard that you can find in the budget keyboard space. The RK68 Plus from Royal Kludge. Disclaimer lang guys, no, before we start off this video, this review is coming from a casual user. Maguhan pa lang sa mechanical keyboard, no, hindi pa ako enthusiast level. So, something to take note of. This keyboard is an excellent option for beginners or upgrading from a lower tier keyboard since hot swap siya and easily moddable. Let's go with what are the accessories inside the box once you buy this RK68 Plus. First and foremost, you're gonna get a nice keycap puller. This is not your generic ones na yung madaling makagasgas ng keycaps. This is a little bit nicer and I feel like gagamitin mo rin siya in the future after you upgrade man lang, no? And you'll also get a switch puller. Since this is a hot swap keyboard, kapag kakuha nyo nito, pag bumili kayo, make sure na itatabi nyo siya kasi let's say for example, pag mamomod ka or you want to change your switches sa keyboard mo or even from other keyboards, so this is a nice switch puller. And you'll also get a non-braided Type-C cable from Royal Kludge. And then let's move on to the design and build quality of the RK68 Plus. Number one, the top cover can be removed. It's very clean and premium tignan, especially if you're going to compare it with other budget mechanical keyboards. This is a 65% layout with dedicated arrow keys compared to 60% keyboards. For RK68 Plus specifically, exploded yung layout niya kasi nakaseparate yung arrow keys and these keys that are page up and down. This layout gives RK68 Plus its identity na medyo unique since most keyboards are compressed yung layout lang sila like Anpro 2, RK71, or even the Keychron products such as Keychron K6. It's an all-plastic build. The base of it is plastic, yung top cover niya is plastic, and yung keycaps natin, of course, plastic din. Pero mabigat siya kasi may battery due to the wireless feature, which actually feels nice, no? It gives that heft to it. Sa likod naman, makikita mo may magnet slot for the dongle. This one. Yan, no? Yun. And also flip stands with rubber for height adjustments and stability. The rubber are actually pretty nice in here kapag kanilapag mo tong keyboard to your desk. Hindi siya basta gumagalaw lang because of the rubber, of course. And also the switches for your wireless options. This one and the on and off switch. Now, let's talk about the features of the RK68 Plus. Number one dito na pinaka-okay and one of the reasons why I bought it is the wireless features niya. It has Bluetooth connection. This can also connect using the 2.4 GHz dongle. The USB dongle is better for gaming because of latency issues. And of course, mas reliable ang connection niya. Pero for Bluetooth naman, at least pwede mo rin siya for gamitin on your mobile devices such as cell phones, tablets. Dalhin mo lang tong keyboard na to and then connect to your Bluetooth devices. This is also a hot swap keyboard. Pwede siya to 3-pin or 5-pin switches. Now, my keyboard is actually white LED lang yung nabili ko. But there are RGB options available and I believe yun na yung mas maraming binibenta ngayon compared to yung ganitong model. The battery is 1,800 mAh. Matagal naman siyang gamitin pag wireless. Although ako personally, I never use the wireless anymore. I just use the wired one. Since 65% layout siya, gagamitin mo talaga yung function keys niya. And of course, the use of function keys, generally, just hold the function button to change the brightness, change ng Bluetooth profiles, light effects, and of course, if you want to press on F1, F2, F3, etc., etc. And now we're gonna do the sound test for this keyboard. Take note, these are Wano Browns, unmodded, stock stabs. We don't have any foam in here. Only O-rings lang on WASD. What I really like about this keyboard is the design and layout. It's small and compact, pero may dedicated arrow keys siya. Plus, distinct ang itsura ng RK68 Plus since exploded yung layout unlike other regular keyboards. It has that classy design because may top cover, hindi nagsho-show yung ilalim ng switches compared to other budget mechanical keyboards na once na nag-on na yung LED or yung RGB, medyo nagbi-bleed yung ilaw sa ilalim niya. Yung tunog niya for stock, not bad out of the box. Syempre, hindi pa siya yung thocky, or if you're going to compare it to modded such as lube, malayo yung pinagkaiba niya. Pero as stock, this is very nice, very nice. I came from blue switches ni K28, and nung una ko tong nakita, it's a huge upgrade. And of course, the versatility na meron kang wireless option. Hindi lang Bluetooth, pero kung gusto mong gumamit ng USB dongle, kabit mo kung saan yan, pwede din. Mas maganda pa yung performance kasi mas reliable. Overall, this is a great option for beginners in mechanical keyboards. It's highly customizable, being hot swap, madali siyang i-mod, and wireless pa. Make sure lang that if you're going to buy this, get the RGB option para at least pwede mo ma-change yung ilaw niya according to however you want it. Now, that's it for this review. We'll actually be making another video of this keyboard pero modded na siya and we're super excited. If you want to watch that, make sure to click that subscribe button. And kung hindi mo naman mamasamain, pindutin mo na rin yung like. And don't forget, stay good looking!